This week's Superintendent Spotlight highlights Glenfield Middle School, where history didn't just live in textbooks, it came to life in one incredibly powerful and inspiring intergenerational experience. Through a unique partnership with Montclair Gateway to Aging in Place, our 8th grade performing arts students participated in a special program titled Organizing for Social Justice Then and Now. Have your say when it matters most. This meaningful event brought students face-to-face with longtime Montclair residents who witnessed the civil rights movement of the 1960s firsthand. Individuals who organized, marched, and protested for change during one of the most pivotal times in our nation's history. Some of these guests even heard Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. speak at Montclair High School, an experience that inspired them to become lifelong community advocates. As our students listened, asked thoughtful questions, and reflected, they then worked in small groups to identify causes that matter most to them, determining the issues they are passionate about and how they can advocate for change in their own communities. They weren't just learning history, they were connecting with it. They were discovering the power of their own voices and the role they can play in shaping a more just and equitable future. This is what it means to bring learning to life, bridging generations, honoring lived experiences, and empowering our students to lead with purpose. Thank you to our Glenfield staff, our community partners, and our incredible students for reminding us all that when it matters most, your voice matters.